history.
Such good drums in there.
Yeah.
We're going to the market anyway, I guess.
Okay, that's the weapon of the armed square, okay? And it's considered the most important square in Havana. That building from 1971 to 1791 was the first Spanish government in Havana, okay? Right here is the General Captain's Palace. Nowadays the museum of the city. The Spanish government was here from 1791 to 1898. Then the Spanish, they gave the power to the Americans, and they stayed here from 1898 to 1929 when they built the national capital. Right now we have here the Museum of History of the city. Okay? The architecture is also Baroque style, huh? Like almost all buildings here in the old city. And this street here is made in wood. Okay? That's Cuban wood. It's Cascanette. It's a precious wood, very hard wood. It's from 1800, so it's a very old street made in wood. The oldest street made in wood we have in Cuba, just in front of the Captain General's Palace. Okay. So I will show you now the place where the city was founded, and I think we have a few minutes for having a video, and then we go to the restaurant, which is right there. Okay.
Yeah, we're going to sit outside. Like we've never seen this before. There's a name person for hiding.